Hello, teachers. Imagine a classroom where students aren't just graded on what they're getting wrong, but are celebrated for what they get right. With a few clicks, Focus can become more than a record of grades. It can transform into a powerful tool for building a positive, motivating classroom culture. So let's explore how the positive behavior feature in Focus can be utilized to recognize and reinforce attendance, goals, citizenship, and team building. First, you'll log into your Focus account as usual. From the home page, choose Positive Behaviors. There are 3 ways to award badges: in the list view, the seating chart view, and the communication view. To award a badge in the list view, next to the student, click the green plus icon in the column of the badge you want to award. The badge count increases by 1. The red minus icon is enabled to each student, which can be clicked if the badge was awarded to the student by mistake. After rewarding a badge, make sure you click Save. If the comment before save option is enabled, enter a comment in the pop-up window and click Confirm. Or you can deselect the comment before save checkbox if you do not want to be prompted to enter a comment when adding a badge. This comment will apply to all students. You can also award badges from the seating chart. From the seating chart screen, click the Assign tab. Then click the Badges tab. To award a positive behavior, click the behavior, then click the applicable students in the seating chart. The behavior icon displays on the student until you save. Once saved, the number of behaviors awarded displays next to the star icon. Select the Comments Before Save checkbox to ensure comments are made in regards to the behaviors awarded to the student upon clicking the Save button. The third way to award badges is in the Communication view. Select the behavior to reward from the corresponding pull-down. If you want to reward a badge to all students, choose the green plus button. You also have other options to include all sections, exclude absences, and comment before saving. Awarding positive behavior badges in Focus cultivates a positive classroom environment. Badges serve as a powerful tool in fostering positive behaviors and celebrating achievements. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be on the lookout for the next video about the Positive Behavior Awards in Focus.